Hi, this is Brother Barnes, and we're going to do a couple of resonance structures for the nitrite ion as requested in this Pearson MyLabandMastering assignment. It took me quite a while to get used to using this, I'll be honest with you. I looked up the different resonance structures on the internet, and I think these are going to be correct. The proof will be in the pudding whenever we submit these. If it says we did okay, that will be the answer. We're going to pick nitrogen as our central molecule. We're going to do two different structures. I want to put double bonds between a nitrogen and an oxygen. So let's go ahead and pick oxygen next. And let's pick double. And in my first resonance structure, I wanted to put the oxygen on the right. Okay, that's kind of right. And then on the second one, I wanted to do it left. This is not going to turn out like I really want it to do, though, is it? That's okay. It's going to be the same. Is there a way to rotate this? I don't want to reset it. Is there a way to rotate? Can I grab it? No. Oh, no. Okay, the good news is we can undo all the way through this. That's very beautiful. I don't see how to rotate. Anyhow, we'll do the best we can. Looks like that's undo, redo. Okay, so let's do the best we can here with what we have. That is kind of like what always happens when I use this, is it's kind of ugly. Now, I want to add single bonded oxygens next. And okay, I know how to fix this. Let's get rid of this one and let's just start over with this one. I am so sorry, but I think I know how to repair this. And let's erase this one right here. Okay, let's get rid of that one. I'll tell you what we're going to do. Instead of starting off with nitrogen on the second one, we're going to start off with oxygen. And I want to double bond it to a nitrogen. And so let's pick oxygen first. Let's pick nitrogen, then let's double it, and then let's click it. So it goes up and to the right. Okay, that's going to work for me, mates. The next thing I want to do is I want to add a single bonded oxygen to this nitrogen and to this one right here. So let's go back to oxygen and let's pick single bond and let's click here. Okay, that works. It's not really bent like I want it to be bent, but I think this is going to work okay. And like I said, when we click submit, it will tell us. We won't have to worry about it. Now, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to try to get our electrons paired around all of these structures. And remember that the valence, natural valence set for all of these atoms, nitrogens and oxygens, is 8. So I did not mean to do that. Undo. So let's pick these dual electrons and let's put one on the nitrogen of each one. That would give 2, 4, 6, and 8 total. 2, 4, 6, and 8 total. Let's put our unpaired electrons on this. Hold on. Okay, that's gonna give us a total of 8 around this oxygen. Again here, 8 here. And then remember this only has one single bond, so we're gonna have to click that 3 times to get 8 total. Come on now. Okay, there we go. So this carries a -1 charge. And so can we do this? Can we? Yeah, there we go. Okay, that is kind of what I want. The only thing that I didn't really accomplish is kind of a bent structure, but let's see what happens. Let's submit it. And bam, it says correct. So that is awesome. And I am sorry for how long this took, but I have done so many of these, and I wouldn't say I felt like I needed to cry, but I've been frustrated a number of times trying to do this. That's why I wanted to do some videos. I did another one on carbon monoxide already. Keep up the good work, mates.